My name is Chef Jonathan. I'm here at Saverio's Authentic Pizza here in North Massapequa, New York. We're gonna make some beautiful lamb today. That's something that we're gonna really focus on. Not lamb chops, a roast of lamb, a rack of lamb. Those are the way to go. You throw it in the oven, have a little magic to it, right? That's what we're gonna do. Put some beautiful accompaniments around it. We're gonna have some fun.
It's a leg of lamb, an American leg of lamb, never frozen, always fresh. You pay a little more money for that, but you really get what you pay for. I boned it out. Actually, I didn't bone it out. I just cut it into steaks. I took the front bone out, solid piece of meat with one bone in the middle. We cut in steaks, and we made a little brown butter sauce.
It's important. Family meals bring everyone together. You know, you get those stories going and having a little fun with it. And food is the connector of everything.
You know, we get fresh leg of lamb. It's not frozen ever. We get to the market, it's fresh leg of lamb that we're offering you here.
Nice and red.
It's perfect.
So we just made a beautiful lamb steak with beautiful rack of lamb.
It's an American leg of lamb.
American leg of lamb.
None better.
Kept it really simple, Sam, right? This is something that everyone can make at their dinner table for Easter. This is a lamb steak. So come and get your leg of lamb at Saverio's. This is American action with a little Italian influences on there. And we put some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme. We put some butter, some great olive oil. This is the mozzarella, pepper flavor to it.
We want everybody to come in here and try our fresh meats. So like I said before, the leg of lamb is never frozen. It's an American leg of lamb, American rack of lamb. We have only the best, the highest quality. If you were to come in and give it a try, you'll see why the line here is spectacular during Easter time.
Especially here at the pork store, where Easter is a major holiday that we celebrate with our products that we offer, the traditional ricotta salata, our homemade pizza rustica, our homemade dry sausage, and sopressata that we offer. We've been making here since the late 60s. And you know, we get fresh legs of lamb in to offer you, and it's never frozen. It's not a frozen piece of meat. It's fresh right from the butcher, fresh to your home. And today we had the privilege of having Chef Jonathan come here and prepare a leg of lamb and offer you some cooking tips on how you prepare that delicious fresh leg of lamb for your family for Easter Sunday. So it's been a great experience here. We hope to see you for the holiday for all your cooking needs, and we wish you all a very blessed and happy Easter.